Welcome to my channel World of Civilizations.
This $25 billion project represents the future of underwater connectivity, a vault of civilizations beneath the waves.
Beneath the ocean, the tunnel stands strong against waves and pressure.
Tunnel connects Japan's regions with thousands of daily journeys.
This impossible tunnel defeated the ocean through human determination.
Welcome to the impossible tunnel beneath Japan's ocean.
At sunset, trains emerge from the tunnel's massive concrete entrance.
This 3,200-ton behemoth is the heart of the Vault of Civilizations project. Soon, it will begin its historic excavation beneath the ocean.
We need to prioritize sections 4 through 6. Check the torque on the new discs immediately.
Confirmed. Section 5 is secure. Moving to 6.
Trains emerge from darkness into sunlight, connecting Japan's islands.
Crystal clear glass reveals an underwater world of fish and waves.
Trains travel in both directions through the massive illuminated tunnel.
Panoramic glass walls reveal waves, fish, and ocean beauty.
This strata is highly fractured. We need to revise the boring plan immediately.
Geosiduals. This 24-kilometer section through the volcanic rock is the critical path. The seismic load requires specialized boring technique.
Affirmative. The TBM components are cleared for immediate docking.
All alignments confirmed. Proceed with the formal signing, Director.
This $25 billion project represents the future of underwater connectivity, a vault of civilizations beneath the waves.
Hold position. Swing left by 2 meters. Over.
Roger. Bring it down slowly, watching the clearance. Steady now, easy.
Right, team, secure the conveyor system supports. Monitor the pressure on the hydraulic cylinders during the final tightening sequence.
Warning, hydraulic pressure deviation detected.
Acknowledged. Running recalibration sequence.
Systems nominal. Operational readiness confirmed.
All right, team, secure that rebar cage.
Crane, lower it slowly to level 70.
Watch the clearance on the west wall.
This 3,200-ton behemoth is the heart of the Vault of Civilizations project. Soon, it will begin its historic excavation beneath the ocean.
Look at the pressure readings. It's working.
Yes, the first meter is complete. Conveyors are engaged.
All right, move the heavy hauler out.
We're clear on the east side. Next truck, move into position now.
We've hit the basalt layer. Increase torque immediately.
Pressure is maxed out, Captain. The alarms are still sounding.
We need to prioritize sections 4 through 6. Check the torque on the new discs immediately.
Confirmed. Section 5 is secure. Moving to 6.
Advance rate is optimized. Monitor the torque closely during breakthrough.
Acknowledged. All systems are green.
Segment locked. Pressure holding steady at 50 bar.
Roger that. Commencing seal integrity check.
Apply the compound smoothly around ring 4 and confirm the pressure held steady at 240 meters. We are clear.
Air quality confirmed safe at the TBM face. Oxygen levels are optimal. Proceeding with excavation.
Ready to engage main power now.
Confirmed! Backup generators online.
We are fully operational.
These powerful pumps are designed to remove millions of liters of water daily, ensuring the tunnel's operation and safety.
We have reached the fractured zone. Advise immediate stabilization protocol.
Roger that. Initiating grout sequence Alpha. Proceed with caution.
We have stabilization at point Gamma. Pressure holding steady.
Acknowledged. Inform the TBM crew they are clear to advance.
We made it! We hit the deepest point right on schedule.
Confirmed. 11.65 kilometers down. Excellent work, team.
Section 4B reinforcements secure. Pressure holding steady at 2.4 megapascals.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with concrete placement.
Check the fire door seal again. It's secure, boss. The passage is ready.
Control, this is Inspection Team Alpha. We have completed the Sector 4 sweep. All systems are fully operational.
Alignment confirmed. We have a perfect match.
We did it. Millimeter precision.
Congratulations, everyone.
Look at that seal! It's perfect!
After all this time, we finally connected the vault.
Alignment confirmed at 1.8 centimeters, well within tolerance.
Noted. The connection is structurally sound and watertight. We are clear.
This breakthrough represents the culmination of years of precision engineering, connecting these two sections deep beneath the surface.
Watch the level on Sector 4.
Clear. The screed is moving into position.
Look at the readout here, right on target.
Yes, the alignment is perfect. We can approve this section.
Secure the next section now. Watch the alignment closely.
Clear on the left. Ready for the weld.
Keep those gaps precise. Network synchronization complete. All systems are online and fully operational. Final checks complete on the primary conduit.
Automated test sequence initiated. Stand by for illumination.
Initiating high pressure sequence now. Stand by for confirmation. And we are green, system fully operational.
Structural integrity reading on Sector 4 is fluctuating.
Rerouting sensor data now. Keep me updated on any changes.
Reporting ventilation systems optimal. All readings green.
Confirmed. Emergency lighting and exit secured. Initiating final certification sequence.
As you can see, the Vault of Civilization's rescue teams are highly trained. Every scenario, including smoke incidents.
Simulation complete. Reviewing final displacement data.
Confirmed. The Vault of Civilization's structure is stable.
Control, we have reached maximum velocity, 240 kilometers per hour. Initiating braking sequence now.
Confirmed. All systems green for deceleration.
We need to finalize the inventory count for Sector Gamma.
The checklist is complete. Awaiting final approval.
点検が完了しましたね。すべての項目が基準を満たしていますね。
確認しました。問題ありませんが。
We have a confirmed breach in Sector 4. Activate countermeasures.
Countermeasures successful. All green, sir.
Nini. All system performance records are verified and safety certifications are complete.
The data is conclusive.
The Vault of Civilization's tunnel is officially open.
We did it!
Welcome to the inaugural journey through the Vault of Civilization's tunnel!
We did it! The tunnel is complete.
Diagnostics complete on the ventilation grid. All green.
Acknowledge.
Control, this is Supervisor Hiroki. Maintenance rounds are complete. The tunnel is secure for high-speed transit.
At a cost of $25 billion, this project has transformed transportation, significantly boosting Japan's economy and improving trade routes.
Japan's $25 billion underwater tunnel is redefining transit, seamlessly connecting our major regions.
As you can see, the reinforced concrete can withstand immense pressure at this depth.
But how did you manage the seismic challenges? The success here allows us to expand the Vault of Civilization's network globally.
The robotic advancements mean we can build faster and deeper than ever.
The next train is bound for Tokyo, arriving at platform 3. Please mind the closing doors.
Readings on Sector 7 stabilized after the adjustment.
This photo here.
This was the hardest part of the vault. The water pressure was immense.
You managed it. And you managed this old boring machine.
Legion de Prisimes.
The MTBF data confirms our projections.
Outstanding safety across the board.
This innovation is now being applied worldwide.
The data integration here is remarkable.
Yeah.
Truly groundbreaking for deep-sea tunneling.
Phase 2 diagnostic complete. Signal strength at 99%.
Acknowledged. We are fully operational.
This underwater marvel represents decades of human determination. What was once an impossible dream.
The vision began decades ago. Today, the dream of the Vault of Civilizations is realized.
The pressurized concrete sections are key to resisting the seismic forces here.
Exactly. This methodology is now the global standard for deep water mega projects.
As you can see, the water quality indicators
Remain optimal here at the central section.
Confirming all systems green for the Osaka line transfer.
Acknowledged. Rerouting highway traffic now.
As you can see, the predictive maintenance
flagged the microfracture immediately.
Adjustments. The predictive models confirm the 100-year lifespan
Is achievable.
by integrating the robotic maintenance
The engineering marvel you see before you is featured in curricula worldwide.
How do you manage the water pressure at this depth?
An excellent question. The segmented rings are key.
This model shows how we protect marine life during construction.
It's truly remarkable engineering. We are very grateful for the partnership.
The hydrological analysis looks promising here.
If we extend the pressurized segments along this fault line, the cost...
This tunnel is a testament to human ingenuity, a true vault of civilization. If you're inspired by such achievements, remember to subscribe for more.
Wow, are we really under the ocean, Mom?
Yes, sweetie. It's incredible, isn't it? We'll be there in no time.
The fiber optic sensors embedded here monitor structural integrity in real time.
And the ventilation system ensures air quality throughout.
I remember when we first broke through that section. It was rough going.
And look at it now.
Look at it now. Absolutely incredible.
Japan's massive underwater tunnel defies the ocean's pressure, allowing bullet trains to travel in perfect stability.
AI monitoring cycle complete. All systems are operating correctly. Status: optimal.
This design minimizes structural stress at extreme depths.
Beneath the waves, this $25 billion engineering marvel connects our regions, turning an impossible dream into reality.
This is the vault of civilizations, an impossible dream realized beneath.
Hello guys, welcome back to another short note about this underwater tunnel construction. So this documentary takes you on an incredible journey inside one of the Japan's greatest engineering achievements, showing how an impossible underwater tunnel was planned, designed and built beneath the sea. You will see how engineers first studied the ocean floor, mapped the safest route, and used giant tunnel boring machines to cut through solid rock deep below the seabed. The documentary explains how millions of tons of rocks were removed, how huge concrete tunnels sections were installed, and how every part of the tunnel was made strong enough to resist water pressure, earthquakes, and harsh underground conditions. It also shows the advanced ventilation, drainage, lighting, electrical systems, emergency exits, and safely technology that keeps the tunnel safe every day. Viewers will follow the complete construction process step by step from the first survey to the final breakthrough when both sides of the tunnel meet with incredible accuracy. You will also discover how engineers tested every system before opening the tunnel to the public and how maintenance team continue to inspect and protect it today. Through this realistic factory-style construction scenes, skilled workers wearing black world civilization uniform, teamwork, innovation, and determination required to complete one of the world's most extraordinary underwater transportation projects, providing that human engineering can achieve what once seemed impossible. If you like this documentary, kindly do like and subscribe my channel World of Civilization, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Until that time, see you in the next video.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.